Hello everybody and welcome back to the Academic Convenience Store. This is Miss Aisha. I am standing here outside of this public library and I just wanted to stop by because we are officially in the month of March. And I know March is known for March Madness, but I'd love to say, you know what? No March Madness, we're here for March Gladness. So that being said, March is Women's History Month. And so stop by your local library, go grab a book, and start researching some of those amazing women in history all around the world that you can tap into and learn something from. But I also wanted to remind you that the month of March is known as National Reading Month. And so due to Dr. Seuss's birthday, I believe it passed, it was March 2nd, but it used to be Read Across America Day on Dr. Seuss's birthday. But that has now evolved into National Reading Month. And so I wanted to invite you all to join the Academic Convenience Store, partner with the Academic Convenience Store for the Reading Roundtable. It's similar to the Mega Math Bootcamp, similar to Wonderful Writers Workshop, but I also wanted to offer you the Reading Roundtable. So whether it's you, your family, homeschools, organizations, after-school programs, any type of educational program, are invited to participate in the Reading Roundtable. And what does that include? Well, guess what? We all need to learn to read. We all are still learning to read because the lower grades are typically, we are teaching foundational skills where they are learning how to read, where our upper grade students, our upper level students, we are teaching the skills and strategies to learn from their reading. That being said, I am mostly over my career, I've been an upper elementary, 5th grade, middle school level teacher. And so I've always tapped into that comprehension piece. So by the time the kids get to me, it's like, hey, look, we're extracting information, we're annotating the text, we are diving into text evidence, we are able to, in working on constructing detailed, constructed responses and able to extract as much information as possible from our reading material. This is testing season, students. We are getting close to being taking those state exams. And so you know that, hey, they're always looking for how you can score your best on those exams. And one of those ways is responding to those passages, understanding vocabulary, the meaning of words. That also develops our comprehension skills. What is comprehension, class? It is understanding what we're reading, okay? And so we dive all deep into that at the Reading Roundtable. So I wanted to invite you all to message me. Either I'm going to drop the link down you can message me at the at my website, or you can email me at the Academic Convenience Store. And so we will be diving into, at the Reading Roundtable, annotating skills. We'll be diving into how to extract information, how to pull the evidence, how to respond to the question. What are the questions asking me? Oftentimes one question could have 2 or 3 parts. And so we'll be diving deep into that. What else could we be looking into at the Reading Roundtable? Nonfiction versus fiction. What does that entail? As in this day and age, students, we all need to be closer readers. We are getting bombarded with information from everywhere via online, articles, newspapers, just information overload. And so we got to make sure that we are understanding who the authors are, who is writing the material, where they're getting their facts. Is it facts versus fiction? Is it facts versus opinion? And so we'll look at all into that at the Reading Roundtable Workshop. So I look forward to seeing you there, students, staff, organizations. And guess what? The more that you read, the more things you will know. And the more that you learn, the more places you will go. And that is a quote from Dr. Seuss. And I will say one thing about him is that those books were great and they still are great for the lower level students, beginning readers that are building their basic foundational reading skills through a rhyming, fun, and enjoyable way. And so we've got English language learners that may be older, that may be adults, that they are still learning the basic foundational rules to reading English. And so I wanted to invite you all yet again to message me at academicconvenience-store.com, and I would love to see you join us for the Reading Roundtable Workshops. So continue to enjoy your day, continue to enjoy March gladness, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. And thank you once again for stopping by the Academic Convenience Store, where you can find fun, fast, and functional facts.